Hello guys, in this video we will explain the method of deleting all messenger messages with one payment. All you have to do and follow are the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Please, and it is not an order now. Let us pass for the good. First, we will use an application that will enable us to delete all messenger messages in one go. We go to the Google Play Store. After that, we download this application, then you open it. This interface will pop up for you. You click on Register via Facebook. After that, you enter information on your Facebook here, then you click on Login after that. This will pop up for you. This interface will pop up. The application has several advantages. The first feature is deleting general messages. There is also deleting messages. Conversations in the Place Center. Deleting messages. Deleting messages. The important archive. There are many features in this application. Now deleting regular messages. Click on Delete Regular Messages. This will pop up for you. The interface contains all your messages. I do not have any messages in the account performance. If you have messages, you select 20 messages or less. After that, you delete them. If you have more than 20 messages, you delete 20. The first message after that, you delete the other 20, and so on, because the application it is not acceptable to delete more than 20 messages at once. Now, for those who have any problems, for those who have questions, please write them in the comments. I entrust you to God, whose deposits are not lost.